Hi, my name is Kavya, and this is my space shooter project. So the goal of the project was to make a space shooter game using Unity, and in Unity the coding that I used was C#. So for the design I used C# coding, and I based the game off of like retro space shooter games you would see at like an old arcade. So this is what some of the program looks like. I had to write a lot of scripts. So this one is how you spawn the enemy, and this public means like you can see how many enemies are coming. And this one is how the enemy would come after you. And for the spawner, like there's a bunch of enemies coming at you, and then it would keep duplicating. And then it would face you and then like shoot you here. And then this one is how I shot the enemy. So basically you create a barrel, and then the barrel is kind of like where you shoot from. I tested the project many times, maybe like 30 or 40. My problems with the code was that the variables didn't match up, so I fixed it by like, I had to keep changing the variables so that they would match up. If I had more time, I would make my own spaceship respawn and like find a way to control all of them. And then these hearts are your lives. Does anyone want to come up and play?
Can you play it?
Okay, I'll play.
I don't know how to exactly.
You think you can maximize the screen?
Yeah, you're supposed to click maximize on play.
Wait, where?
Right there. Yeah. And then you have to restart it. Like, yeah. So click it now. You have to go to game view. There's this game, yeah. And then maximize on play. There you go. You just click it once. So.
Stop it. Press. You get out the game.
So you click it and then you press play. There you go.
There you go. Okay, thank you. Wait, you're shooting backwards?
Is it hard? How do you shoot?
You press the space bar.
Oh.
And then I lost.
Can I try
You
it?
lose.
Can I try it? I want to.
Okay.
Wait a minute, so they spawn
On top
Just
of
randomly.
randomly? They always spawn behind you somehow.
Yeah.
That's not random. Okay, try again.
Oh, you have to keep it. Oh, okay, it's not gonna maximize.
Alright, so while they play, do you guys have any questions for Kavya? Anyone?
Yeah.
Yes. So now that you know how to program this space shooter game, what other game do you have in your imagination? What would you like to do next? Now that you know this type of programming.
I don't know. Maybe like if one day I'm advanced enough, since I learned how to make something shoot, like you could make an RPG game or like some shooting game.
Okay, awesome. Any other questions?
Can I play?
Not right now.
Oh.
It's not working.
Anyone else? No questions? Alright, give a round of applause, guys.